When it comes to numerology, life path number 2 is often called the Peacemaker, but that label barely scratches the surface. If your life path is 2, your purpose revolves around connection, sensitivity, and emotional intelligence. You're here to build bridges, not walls. This blog explores what that really means across personality, career, relationships, and everyday life. Core personality traits of life path number 2. At your core, you are deeply intuitive, empathetic, and cooperative. You naturally sense what others are feeling, often before they say a word. This makes you an excellent listener and a trusted confidant. Key traits include emotional intelligence and sensitivity, diplomacy and conflict resolution skills, patience and attention to detail, strong intuition and inner knowing. You thrive in environments where harmony exists. Loud, aggressive, or chaotic situations can drain you quickly. You're not weak, you're perceptive, and that's your superpower. Career direction and life purpose. Life path 2 individuals are not typically driven by power or status. They're driven by meaning and connection. You do your best work in roles where collaboration and emotional awareness matter. Ideal career paths include counseling or therapy, human resources or mediation, teaching and education, healthcare and caregiving professions, creative partnerships, writing, music, design, diplomacy, or nonprofit work. You excel in supportive roles, but that doesn't mean you should stay in the background. Leadership for you looks different. It's about guiding, not controlling. Compatibility insights. In relationships, you seek depth, trust, and emotional safety. You're a natural partner, but your sensitivity means you need someone who respects your feelings rather than dismisses them. Strong matches. Life path 6, nurturing, family-oriented, emotionally aligned. Life path 8, balances your softness with strength and ambition. Life path 9, shares your compassion and idealism. More challenging dynamics. Life path 1, can feel too dominant or independent. Life path 5, may seem unpredictable or emotionally unavailable. The key for you is communication. When you express your needs clearly, your relationships thrive. Empowerment affirmations. Because you tend to prioritize others, it's important to ground yourself in self-worth and confidence. These affirmations can help you stay balanced. My sensitivity is a strength, not a weakness. I honor my intuition and trust my inner voice. I deserve peace, respect, and emotional security. I can set boundaries without losing connection. My presence brings harmony to every space I enter. Repeat these daily, especially when you feel overwhelmed or undervalued. Shadow sides and challenges. Every strength has a shadow. For life path 2, your biggest challenges often stem from overgiving and self-doubt. Common struggles include people-pleasing and difficulty saying no, fear of conflict or rejection, oversensitivity to criticism, indecisiveness or reliance on others' opinions, suppressing your own needs. Growth comes when you learn that harmony doesn't mean self-sacrifice. Healthy boundaries are essential for your well-being. Everyday life applications. In daily life, your life path energy shows up in subtle but powerful ways. You're the person who smooths over disagreements among friends or coworkers. You notice emotional shifts in a room before anyone else. You naturally offer support, encouragement, and understanding. You prefer collaboration over competition. To stay balanced, take time alone to recharge, practice saying no without guilt, keep a journal to process emotions. Trust your intuition when making decisions. Small habits like these help you maintain emotional clarity and avoid burnout. Intersections with other numerology elements. Your life path number is just one piece of your numerology chart. Its full expression depends on how it interacts with other numbers. For example, expression destiny number reveals how you naturally act on your life path purpose. Soul urge number shows your inner desires, which may deepen your emotional nature. Personality number influences how others perceive your sensitivity and diplomacy. If you have strong numbers like 1 or 8 elsewhere in your chart, they can add assertiveness and ambition to your gentle 2 energy. If you have more 2s or 6s, your emotional and nurturing qualities are amplified. Understanding these intersections helps you see yourself more clearly, not as too sensitive, but as multidimensional. Final thoughts. Life path number 2 is about connection, but not at the cost of yourself. Your journey is to learn balance between giving and receiving, listening and speaking, supporting and standing strong. You are here to bring peace into the world, but your first responsibility is to create peace within yourself. When you honor your intuition and set healthy boundaries, you don't just survive, you quietly transform every space you enter. And that's a kind of power the world deeply needs.